Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Hope you had a good weekend, right? Now, this week आपकी जो notebooks है, आपकी notebooks और आपकी worksheets, we are going to correct. Now, I got calls regarding की books incomplete and all that. That's perfectly fine. If you are not able to complete your notebook in any cases, if you are doing something, that's fine. But just submit your notebooks so that जितना आपने लिखा है उतना हम go through कर सके, उतना हम check कर सके, right? So don't worry about the incomplete portion. That is perfectly fine. Moving for today's session. Before moving on to that, let us recollect कि हमने क्या क्या कर लिया है, right? On the last weekend, that was on Thursday and Friday. What we did, I gave the video of chapter number 4, that is inspiring people. It is a story about Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam, हमारे India के former president थे, right? Now due to some technical errors, there were sound disturbances in the videos that I sent on the weekend. So to recover that, मैंने Saturday को शाम को एक video भेजा हुआ है. Just have a look. फ्राइडे और सैटरडे आई थिंक दोनों दिन का ब्रीफिंग एक्सप्लेनेशन कर दिया है. सो हैव अ लुक ऑन दैट वीडियो. फ्राइडे को मैंने भेजा हुआ है शाम को. सो हैव अ लुक ऑन दैट वीडियो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चैप्टर. वाई? बिकॉज आई टेल यू व्हाट, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड चैप्टर्स इतने हार्ड नहीं थे, बट देन फोर्थ ये चैप्टर जो है उसमें यू विल फाइंड मेनी न्यू वर्ड्स coming to your dictionary. Same way, if we'll move on in this week, we'll move on to the 5th chapter, that is the chapter for term 1. Now in that also there are many new words that you have coming through, all right? So the only solution to understand it or to remember it is not ratification of the words. It is just reading once, twice the chapter, all right? एक आधी बार, दो बार, please read. If you are not writing this week, I'm going to give you lesser homework. Why? Because your notebooks are with us, will be at school, right? So I'll be giving you lesser homework, so you'll get ample amount of time जहाँ पे आप reading कर सको. I would prefer again, you'll read more, you'll get to know more vocabulary. And जैसे जैसे chapters आ जाएंगे वैसे it would be bit hard for you, and I completely understand for your parents also. Why? Because the vocabulary that is coming, it is very hard, right? तो जब तक आप नहीं समझेंगे, आप नहीं पूछेंगे, आप नहीं रिकलेक्ट करेंगे, तब तक आपको याद नहीं रहेगा, right? So better read once, twice the chapters, right? Third तक chapter तो काफी easy थे, but this 4th chapter and 5th chapter is having many new words, right? इसके मीनिंग्स आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा, तो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट इन डिक्शनरी और गूगल ऐप, वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक, राइट? चलिए, ये हो गई वीकेंड की बात. नाउ in today's session, what are we going to do? We'll be completing the phrasal verb that is given in as the textual exercises on page 57. Page 57 is phrasal verb. Now I'll be explaining, we'll be doing the exercise, and I'll be giving you the homework. This whole week, Monday से Friday, you will be getting homework in your textbook only. Clear? Chaliye. So ready for the session? Let us begin it. So now this is page number 57, phrasal verbs. Did you know that some verbs, when combined with some prepositions, create a different meaning than the original verb? For example, a simple verb like go, when combined with up, go up, is a preposition, has a completely different meaning. It means to increase. This combination of a verb and a preposition is called phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? Phrasal verb में एक verb के साथ एक preposition add करके we change the meaning of the entire word, right? That is known as phrasal verb. Have a look in the yellow box. A phrasal verb is a verb followed by a preposition. The combination creates a meaning different from the original verb alone. अकेले अकेले जैसे verb का meaning होता है, उससे it creates a different meaning. Now underline the yellow box. चलिए, here are some phrasal verbs with the prepositions up and down. Like up और down का use अलग अलग verbs के साथ किया गया है to change the whole meaning. Give up. to stop something. Many times I told, don't give up children, you should try, don't give up children, right? So to give up is to stop something. ये उसका meaning है, to stop something. Mix up, confuse two or more things. Many times हम जब books की pile collect करते हैं, जब मैं बोलती हूँ English की book submit करो, आपने गलती से हिंदी की डाल दी होती है. So you mix up the things. Dress up, to put on formal or very nice clothes. She was dressed up perfectly for an interview. Dress up, right? Keep up the good thing, keep up the level high. To continue something at the same, usually high level. Well done, keep it up. Many times we tell you, right? So these are verbs. आगे वाले जो word है, they are verbs and these are prepositions. They tell about the position. But then phrasal verbs, जब इन दोनों को combine करके लिखा जाता है, they have a different meaning, right? So this is about up, give up, mix up, dress up, keep up. Now let us study down. Turn the page. Chaliye, now here, break down or get upset. As his parents broke down, Helen's parents broke down when they found that Helen would never be able to see or hear. Right? Broke down, yeah, break down is to get upset. Turn down to say no to something. I turned him down when he was asking for my scooter. Write down, to record something. When I say write down this point, write down this point. So that is, you are making a list of what you are going to do. Cut down, to reduce the amount. I have cut down the use of mobile. So that is cut down, right? So break down, to get upset. Turn down, to reject something or someone. Write down, to record in writing. And cut down, to reduce the amount, right? Chaliye, now move to the exercise number 1. Choose the suitable phrasal verbs from the given box and complete the sentences. Write down, turn up, dress up, cut down, look up, keep up. My best friend did not dash for my birthday. वो आया नहीं, did not turn up. It is this, turn up. Next, Mary likes to dash when she goes to a church. Mary likes to dress up, right? When we are going outside, we dress up. My coach asked me to dash the hard work. Keep up the hard work, right? ऐसा ही काम करते रहे, keep up. Larry's mother asked him to dash his candy consumption. Candy consumption को कम करना है. So what you'll write? Cut down. So here we'll write cut down. My teacher asked me to dash all the important points for revision. Write down, right? Revision के points क्या करेंगे? Write down. Next, Tushar decided to dash for his friend's phone number in his diary. Look up, right? He is looking up for the Now next, rewrite each sentence using the phrasal verb given in the bracket. One has been done for you. Although it was hard work, Jadav Pyang continued planting trees. Continued की जगह पे we can write kept on planting trees. Although it was the hard work, Jadav Pyang kept on planting trees. That is already been done. Chalo, we'll come to the next one. He was not ready to accept defeat. Give up. So you'll write he was not ready to give up instead of accept defeat. Here actually we need to write the whole sentence, but that is fine. हम सीधे खाली यहाँ पे answer लिख दे, give up. Next, Jadav Pyang formed a group with other activists to plant trees. Team up. Team up is it? Form a group. So instead of formed a group, Jadav Pyang teamed up with other activists to plant trees. So here you will write teamed right? Can you see this? Okay, last one. Jadav Payang did not give a break to his efforts to revive wildlife of his area. Slow down. Slow down is not to give break. Slow down is to give a break. So Jadav Payang did not slow down, right? यहाँ पे you will write slow down. Slow down. All right, चलिए. Now, so this is phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs माने verb के साथ we are adding a preposition to make a different meaning, right? चलिए. Now let us move to the grammar portion, that is adjectives. Now we all know what is adjectives, but in this chapter we will be knowing the order of adjective. Order is कौन से तरह से रखा जाता है. सबसे पहले क्या, ऑर्डर इज टू मेक अस नो कि सबसे पहले कौन सी किस हिसाब से हम एडजेक्टिव्स लिखते हैं. इफ देर इज वन एडजेक्टिव इन द होल सेंटेंस तो दैट इज फाइन, नो नीड टू अरेंज. बट देन इफ देर आर मोर देन वन एडजेक्टिव्स, suppose 2, 3, 4, then how are you going to decide their order? तो उनका एक specific order है. How you follow that? It is in opinion, then size, and then last color. तो सबसे पहले opinion आता है. opinion माने राय, कैसा है, scary है, ये है, वो है. So that is our opinion. So we'll write first opinion, then the size, and then the color. Right? चलिए. Now identify the adjectives used in the following sentences and write down their types. चलिए. First sentence, APJ Abdul Kalam was a gifted student. What is the adjective over here? Gifted. Now gifted is which adjective? Here it is adjective, so here you will write gifted. What kind of adjective it is? Opinion. So here you will write opinion. Here ये ना size दिखाता है ना color दिखाता है, so it is opinion. Next, Dr. Kalam was born on a small island. Now small is the adjective. Now क्या दिखाता है वो? Is it showing opinion? No. Is it showing size? Yes. Small is the size. He lived in a large family. Large is the adjective. It is again size. Small is also size. Large is also size. Next, he was born on the conch-shaped island of Rameshwaram. Conch-shaped. Now what is that? That is opinion. That is opinion. So here you will write conch-shaped, and that is our opinion. Right? Now he was known as a good president. Good, again it is a quality, so you will write opinion. ना ही वो size है, ना ही वो color है. Clear? चलिए. Now to the second page. The following adjectives describes the animal in the Molai forest. Put them in the correct order. Frame sentences using each set of words. Now in here we will not frame sentences, we will just put a proper order. तो जैसे order याद रखना है आपको. First आएगा opinion, then size, and then color. So let us move to that. First one, big golden scary tiger. So tiger is the noun, तो वो तो last में ही रहेगा. Now amongst the adjective, which is first opinion. Opinion is scary, so this would be first. Then the next we have size, so it is big, and last one is color. So it is scary, big, golden tiger. Clear? चलिए. Now move to the next. Brown, small, playful monkey. So which is the opinion? Monkey is the noun, so we are not going to change it. We are not going to do anything with it. So playful is the opinion, small is the size, and brown is the color. So the sentence would be a playful small brown monkey. Clear? चलिए. Next, vulture, pale bulky vulture. So vulture is the noun. Now pale and bulky, so bulky is the opinion, size है नहीं, so color is pale. पेल माने जो एकदम पीला पड़ जाता है, एकदम तेज नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल निस्तेज होता है वो, दैट इज पेल. बीमार बीमार लगता है वो. right? Now, elephant, a big slow elephant. So elephant is the noun, so we are not going to change it. Big and slow. Now opinion is slow and big is the size. So slow, big elephant. And last one, white swift tiny rabbit. So rabbit is the noun, which is the opinion, swift, yes. Which is the size, tiny. Tiny is very small. And which is the color, white. So a swift tiny white rabbit. Is that clear? So again we remember that if the sentence is having more than one adjective, तो हम कैसे उसको order decide करेंगे? First we will write the opinion, then we will write the size, and then we will go for the color. Alright, चलिए, this is the end of today's CW. Before going, today's homework is on page number 62. Past tense, we have already learned about this. This sentence talk about the wishes and the past habit, filling the blanks and complete them. So Dr. Kalam always wake. Wake ka past tense, W-O-K-E. Woke up early in this morning. This is homework. Take it and mark it as H-W. Dr. Kalam never dash his time. Waste past tense, wasted. Remember past tense, remembered. Can past tense, could. Be past tense, if there be more people like Jaidev Payang, the world would be a lot greener. See, the past tense of be for singular is was, and for plural is were. So here you will write was, right? So that would be your homework. And again, underline at least 5 sentences in the simple past tense from pages 54 and 55. Take it and mark it as HW. What will you do? You will go to page number 54 and 55. This is the chapter, page number 54 and 55. उसमें से past tense के जो sentences है वो आपको underline करने हैं. How many? 5. We meet tomorrow. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Have a good day.